days and check into the Sweat Hotel at night.
I got you tonight.
On 98.5 WYLD.